Good morning, children. Welcome back to chemistry class. I hope you all are doing your assignments regularly. You are sending your assignments through WhatsApp, but I already created Google Classroom for you. I have been forwarded to your WhatsApp group also. So kindly join Google Classroom. Hereafter, you can submit your assignments only Google Classroom, not in WhatsApp. In this video also, I'll post Google Classroom code. So kindly make as early as possible. Hereafter, you can submit only through Google Classroom, not in a WhatsApp group. I'm already completed lesson 1, matter and its composition. Now, I'm going to teach you new lesson, physical and chemical changes. Physical means the changes takes place only in the appearance. Chemical reaction means the composition of the matter or molecule will be changed. So these things we are going to discuss briefly in this lesson. The contents are physical and chemical changes, chemical change, formation of new product with new properties. Yes, the chemical change, it can form a new product, the new thing we can get, and then we are going to know about the new properties through chemical reaction. Next, differentiating between physical and chemical changes. So what is the difference between the physical change as well as chemical change? Next, classification of physical and chemical changes. So what type of physical and chemical changes taking place? Types of changes involved when there is a change in state of matter. Yes, we already studied in the last class. We have 3 states of matter. So the 3 states of matter, what type of changes taking place, we are going to discuss. The next type of change involved when there is a change in energy. Yes, when the change is taking place, definitely the energy transmission is there. So we are going to discuss what type of energy is transmitting. That one through the physical and chemical change we are going to discuss in this lesson. Our topic is changes around us. Yes, around us, without knowing or knowing, many changes are taking place. See the first one, the germination of seed. Yes, so either we know for the germination or else without our knowledge the seeds are growing. Next, season changes the nature. See here, the tree depends upon the season. Yes, we have a summer season, spring, winter, autumn. So depends upon the seasons also, the tree shed their leaves, flower is blooming, like that the change is taking place. Next, these two are, we can say it as a physical change. Yes, why saying physical change? The appearance is changing. See, for the first thing, germination. The germination, the small seed itself, it is growing as a plant. Either it may be a small plant, shrub, herb, or else a big tree. So it's a physical change. The appearance is changing. Here also, the tree depends upon the season. It is changing, shedding their leaves, blooming flowers. So this is the thing. The first two is a physical change. Next, chemical change. Here see, the burning of wood. Wood is burning and then it become a charcoal. Next, iron rusting. When the iron material is new, it's look like a shiny one. After it reacting with the outer side air, it is turned into rusted one. The color will be reddish brown. Our topic is types of changes. We have a slow, fast changes, reversible and irreversible changes, natural and man-made changes, desirable and undesirable changes, physical and chemical changes. These are the types of changes we are going to discuss in this session. Our first change, slow, fast change. Yes, this thing is happening in the period of time. These changes can occur over a few hours to months or years. Yes, the period of time, the particular time has been taking place. For example, growing of a child into an adult. Yes, this thing is a very slow process. It will take years when the baby becomes a adult. Our next heading is fast changes. These changes takes place quickly in a short span of few seconds or minutes. Yes. For example, bursting of balloon, bursting of crackers, lighting of a bulb. Yes. It will take only few seconds or a minute. From the minute itself it's getting over. See, when we fire the crackers, immediately it is bursting within a seconds. And then when we switch on the light, immediately the bulb is giving out light. So these are the fast changes we have. Reversible changes. What is reversible changes? These are the changes that can be reversed to obtain the original from again. They are temporary changes. No new substance is formed. For example, here they given melting of ice. Yes. First, water we are keeping in the freezer, it becomes ice. Again, when we are keeping that ice cubes outside, it is coming back to the water. Yes, that's why we are saying reversible changes. So after the reaction also it can come back to its original position. Next, molding of clay tuff. Yes, when we are molding clay of tuff, that is for example clay, when we make a shape through the clay, after that again we can change the shape. So this is a reversible, again it is coming back to its original form, so that we are saying it is a reversible reaction. Now, irreversible changes. Yes, these are the changes that cannot be reversed to obtain the original form. Yes, it's the opposite thing of reversible reaction. Here, when the changes has been takes place, again it won't go for a original form. These are permanent changes. Yes, V1, V2, when we are a child, after a certain years, we are becoming a adult. Again, we won't be a child. So it's a permanent change. New substance are formed. Internal structure of a substance changes. Yes, the particles inside the structure has been completely changed. For example, burning of wood, frying of an egg, baking of cake. And then one more thing, burning of paper. Here a paper is burning. When it is completely burnt, after that we can get only ashes. Next, when we are baking a cake, before that it was become a wheat. After we are baking, it won't be again a wheat. So we can say this is a irreversible change. It doesn't go back for a original form. We are in the topic natural changes. Yes, these are the changes that occurs naturally without human interferences. So automatically it is happening through nature. These changes are usually permanent and irreversible. So permanently it is happening, but we cannot reverse this change. For example, color change in fruits and flowers, ripening of fruit, wrinkling of skin. When the person gets aged, it, he can get a wrinkle in its skin. Growth of plants and animals, changes during sunset and sunshine. Here I am given the example of sunset, sunrise and sunset. So this is happening every day. With the help of nature, we cannot reverse these changes. Man-made changes. Yes. For our purpose, the human being changing a nature. These are the changes that occur due to human activities to meet their requirements. Yes. For our requirements only, we are making a change. These changes can be reversible or irreversible. Yes. Depends upon the type of change, we can classify this one as a reversible or irreversible. For example, cutting of trees. Yes, cutting of trees is irreversible. Burning of paper also irreversible. Construction of roads, making of dams. You see the trees cutting and then construction of roads. So for our own purpose, to make a building or whatever the thing, with the help of wood we are cutting woods. Then we need to make a smooth way, we are constructing roads. To save water, rainwater, we are making a dam. So for the requirement of human being only, we are making a changes. Desirable changes. Desirable means it is nothing but of useful changes. Here these are the changes that are desirable or useful to human beings. Yes, the changes are useful to us, we can say it as a desirable changes. Example, ripening of fruit. So ripening of fruit means it is very easy to consume. Formation of curd from milk. Yes, to changing milk to curd for a consuming, and then cooking of food also for a desirable change. Yes, we are like this change to consume ourselves, so we can say it as a desirable changes. Next is undesirable change. Undesirable means it's a opposite of desirable. It is not useful to us. These are the changes that are harmful to human beings. So either we can say it as a dislike or harmful. Example, spoiling of food. Yes, rusting of iron. So when the food is spoiled, we cannot heat that one. So we doesn't like the spoiling of food. The next thing, rusting of iron. When the iron was rust, we cannot use that metal. Slowly, the metal was broken into pieces. It is not useful to us. That's why these changes we are saying undesirable changes. Physical changes. These are the changes that alter the physical properties of a substance. The change can be in the size, shape, appearance or state of a substance. For example, here we have a inflating of balloon. We are changing the shape of the balloon. No new substance are formed. No energy is absorbed or released. These are usually temporary and easily reversible change. Yes. See here in this picture we are blowing this ball, then it gets a rigid structure. After that, when we remove the air from this, so it doesn't have any shape. It is like a paper. So this change can change its size, shape and then appearance. These are usually temporary and reversible changes. Example, melting of butter. Yes, changing of water into ice. Here is your assignment. Fill in the blanks. Growth of a tree is a dash change. Melting of butter is dash change. Then answer the following. Name the type of changes. So all the answers you can find out from this video. growth of child, melting of ice, ripening of fruit. So these three things you can write what type of changes are taking place in the given three types. Name the changes that are temporary and can be reversed. So which change is temporary and it can be reversed. Give two difference between man-made changes and natural changes. Here I am given GCR code. Those who doesn't know about this GCR code, kindly use this code to join our GCR. Then this assignment you must submit through Google Classroom. No excuse. Through WhatsApp I can't find out how many are not submitted. But in this Google Classroom I can easily find out. So you can join the classroom. Through this classroom only you can submit. Thank you, children. Be safe at home. Have a healthy food. Take care of yourself. Study your lessons regularly. Do your assignments regularly. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.